About 5 years ago, we had fuels reduction money, which basically means you remove a few trees, you limb up the remaining ones, and fire has a lot harder time starting. What you're looking at here, we removed, I'd say 60 to 80% of the trees. They're actually still up there. We had a big shredder on that surface. The shred still sits down in the grass. So in this case, I think I actually have reduced stormwater runoff as well as reduced our fire hazard on this slope. A lot of that water will stay up there. In the case of this UNL facility, mostly it means it gives us a few extra moments to maybe put out a small fire, but we are in these deep canyons and we still have a lot of trees. So I think it's important to be realistic that if some really big fire came through here, I really hope it's been stopped before it gets to us. We get anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of rain a year out here. Parts of eastern Nebraska, especially southeast, are getting close to 40. So of course, here we have eastern red cedar, lots of grass. It is just a drier environment all around, and windier, so it's going to be a lot easier for a large fire to pick up and catch here. With some luck in eastern Nebraska, it's generally wetter. Deciduous trees have a harder time catching fire, so there's really your difference. Everything is set back from the buildings and everything is spaced. What you're seeing on this slope is intended to maintain sort of a historic eastern red cedar forest, but with enough spacing that fire couldn't jump between the trees. Coming back to landowners, I'll tell you my sort of rule of thumb when I'm looking for funding and trying to convince somebody we're doing this is we try hard not to bulldoze it up into a big pile and burn it. We try to use everything. So the shred from these removed trees stayed on that surface. Other trees are chipped. We're using the chips on our grounds here. You can see a stairs going up there. You can see fence posts. That's all eastern red cedar. We have buildings, decks we've worked on with eastern red cedar, footbridges, all of that. So if there's sort of a eastern red cedar management philosophy on my part, it's find a way to use all of it. Don't burn it.